My name is Melvin, and Conversion Pros is a phenomenal tool, and I would be doing you a disservice if I didn't give you the truth. See, Conversion Pros has allowed me to be able to become a top income earner in 2 of my home-based businesses. It has also been able to increase my revenue in my traditional business. And see, Conversion Pros is for anyone that is out here looking to produce big results so they're duplicates throughout their entire business. And see, it's not about working harder with Conversion Pros, it's about working smarter and having an unfair advantage when you get this system. Not to mention, Conversion Pros gives me a phenomenal opportunity to earn revenue. I've earned well over tens of thousands of dollars in residual commissions using Conversion Pros, and the great thing about this is I give away a free system, and when people decide to use the system, we earn big bucks. So if you're thinking about getting Conversion Pros, think no longer. Click the button and get it today. It will change your life.
Hey there, I want to give a big shout out to the Conversion Pros. I'm a 57-year-old woman from Birmingham, Alabama, and look, if I can figure out how to work this thing, you can too. And one of the things I love about the Conversion Pros is it's really a done-for-you system. So I was nervous and everything because I'm not techie about getting in here and figuring out how to use it to help me get leads for my business, but everything was there. Capture pages are there, autoresponders are there. Leads are there. All you gotta do is click a few buttons and everything is set up for you, and so it's really helped me a ton, and I want to say thank you, Conversion Pros. Love your product.
Yeah, my name is Victor Manuel. I've been with the Conversion Pros for about 3 to 4 years now, and I'm gonna tell you, this is the best system on earth. And I'm not just saying that. The proof is in the pudding. That's why we let you join for free. This is where it's at. I've been getting paid by these people for 3 to 4 years straight. Can you say that? If you work the business, this is where you need to come to learn how to make money, learn how to have success, to have the tools that you need anyway, and also to make sure that you can succeed. And if you have a business, this is what you need to make sure you get out the Stone Age. TCP all the way. Ride until the wheels fall off. Have a blessed day.
What I love about TCP is it's an all-inclusive marketing system that works for any business. And if you don't have a business, they give you one and say, go give away our system for free and earn 50% commission. It offers unlimited pages, unlimited autoresponders that are actually done for you if you want to use them with a copy, paste, done, no technical skills required. Access to hot, pre-qualified leads that come in on your app and shows you all the leads that came in. They just keep adding value. They offer training to help you in your business from start to finish. And it just keeps getting better. I've been a customer for 3 years, and I'm not going anywhere because they offer too much. TCP changed the game for me. It can change the game for you too.
TCP is hands down the best system out there. But for the price, you can't beat it. Since being with TCP, the Conversion Pros, over the last 3 years, I've generated hundreds and hundreds of leads. Between the page builders, the autoresponders that are unlimited, plus the other many tools that TCP offers, you just can't beat it for the price.
Hi, here's Wolfgang Kehn right out from my home in Switzerland. I want to make a short testimonials about the Conversion Pros. I'm using the Conversion Pros now since 2.5 years. I made about 300 pages, and yeah, I really love it because it's very easy to use. Every newbie can use it. You don't have to be a techie, and it's all included in these marketing tools. All you need to promote any stuff online or offline. And the great thing, you can share it with your team, very easy. You make a complete funnel in 10 minutes with autoresponder, and everything is included. And the best thing about it, it's an affiliate tool, so you get paid 50% commission every Friday. So you need only 2 and the use is free. And what else? You can try it 14 days for free, so you have nothing to lose. Just try it and thank me later. Bye from Switzerland.
What's up, this is Keith, and I love the Conversion Pros. I've been a member going on 2 years now, and I've been able to use this platform to grow several online businesses and grow teams, so you can share your pages with your team, share your sales funnels. They have a built-in autoresponder, they have a tracker, so everything's underneath one roof, which is awesome. It's going to keep your monthly expenses down. If you guys are looking to grow an online or an offline business or build up a team, this is an excellent platform. You can get started for free, so get signed up. I'll see you on the inside.
What's going on? My name is Richard Harrison. Look, before I founded Conversion Pros, I had an autoresponder system with one company. I had lead capture pages with another company. I had tracking with another company. I had webinar tools with another company. And I needed all of that to run my business, but I was paying different prices, you know, for the different tools that I had. Then I came across the Conversion Pros, which had every tool that I need to run my business in their marketing suite, okay? And I've been with the Conversion Pros for over 3 years now, and I would never look at another system. If you have not tried the Conversion Pros, I want to encourage you to take the 14-day free trial, get to know the system, and get started with the Conversion Pros today. I want to thank TCP and the Lifestyle System for helping me with my business, and go ahead and get started today. Thank you, Conversion Pros, for all that you do and all of the support. Peace.
Hey, this is William Sullivan. A quick testimonial about what the Conversion Pros has personally done for me. But first, I want to tell you this. See this right here? See this right here? Your wallet where you put all your money, your cards and everything? Throw it away. We don't want your money on a free trial. You can try us out, our tools, leads, training, and support for a full 14-day test drive. Nothing can beat that. Now, so what the Conversion Pros has done for my primary business, it has allowed me to actually become a top earner in one of my opportunities, and also create residual side income promoting the Conversion Pros as an affiliate. Because everybody in any company, every single company, needs tools, training, leads, and support. And a lot of people's companies aren't giving them that for whatever reason. But guess what? We do. And you get to try us, like I said, for free. So you ain't got nothing to lose, and you got success to gain. You know, try it for free.
Hey, my friends, how's it going? Kevin Cunningham here. I just want to give you a brief testimonial and share my experience with you since I've been using the Conversion Pros for the last 5 years. Not only that, the Conversion Pros has been able to help me consolidate my business into one valuable tool. With the Conversion Pros in the last 5 years, they've never charged me anything additional, even though they continually add more valuable tools to the back office of the Conversion Pros. It's sort of like buying a Maserati one piece at a time, or else you can buy the whole Maserati and the Conversion Pros will just hand you the keys. That's how simple it is. They help you brand yourself no matter what business you're in. Now, with the Conversion Pros, I highly recommend take the free tour, 100% free. You'll get full access to help you consolidate time frames and brand yourself in your current business. And if you don't have a current business, the Conversion Pros will share with you 50% of the profits, and they pay you regularly every Friday. And you might find that this tool might become your primary business. Just wanted to share that with you, the Conversion Pros. Fantastic, I love it. And I hope to see you on the Conversion Pros team. Talk to you later. Peace.
What's going on, everybody? This is Yusuf Diab. Quick testimonial about this Conversion Pros program. I've been using it for the past 2 years, and I have to say it's been nothing but stellar. The product is top notch. It's helped me generate leads to help me build my CBD oil business. I've been using it for the past 2 years now, and the use of this business has been helping help me grow my business to the level where I'm going to be able to bring my wife home within the next 90 days. And if you want to use this as a standalone business on its own to help you just market this business on its own, you can do that too. They pay you every single Friday. I'm telling you, the Conversion Pros, this program is the truth. I've been using it for 2 years, and I don't know where I'd be without it right now. Have a good one.
Hi, I'm Mark Adamson. I hope you're having a great day. Let me tell you, first of all, I was in the very beginning when the Conversion Bros started, and I was blown away with the tools and the system that was available to help people like myself and other people that are coming on board to market their business or create an opportunity for themselves. However, my favorite tool in this system is the interview leads. Why? Because the interview leads are extremely hot along with the other tools that are there. The interview leads were interviewed by an agent that asks the right questions qualify them so they can get the opportunity that they're looking for. It doesn't matter what opportunity you have, you can use the leads within the Conversion Pros to skyrocket your business. And also they have a mobile app. The mobile app helps you to call the leads, to email the leads, and to text the leads. So you have no excuse. So if I were you, I would go straight to the 14-day trials and upgrade immediately and start creating income within this system along with building whatever current business you have. I see you at the top.